Did you know? You can create videos like this.
Did you know? A rock star checked into this hotel.
Did you know a homeless man followed a celebrity home? He asked.
Using AI tools in minutes in this video. I'll show you step by step how to do it. We'll use Chatgpt 4, Luma Dream Machine, and CapCut. First, create a short horror story. Keep it under 1 minute with a strong mystery. So to help you out, I have been working on something that will make this process 10 times easier for you. I have created a custom GPT model that has been trained to come up with trending topics and write script in this specific niche. You can find this custom GPT model in the description. So now go to the GPT and ask him to give you a topic and write a script for your next video. After that, ask him to give you image prompt for each scene then.
She says, hey man, there were just too many days.
Now we need to generate the images I personally prefer to use, Chatgpt 4, but you can use whatever works for you. Go to the website. Wait. Now, any prompt can't get you there, so I made you a custom prompt that you can find in the description, copy it, and in space provided paste. A prompt that we get from the custom GPT. Once we finished image generation, we need to animate and add some motion to it. For that, we'll use Luma Dream Machine. Now, generate your voiceover using ElevenLabs. Use a calm documentary-style voice.
With only hearts.
Luck is what happens.
You cannot reap what you never did sow. You cannot learn what you never won't know.
Finally, bring everything into CapCut and sync your clips, and that's it. Your viral horror video is ready.
Did you know? A rock star checked into this hotel and never came out? The room looked untouched, like he just vanished mid-existence. Days later, his car was found near a bridge, keys still inside. That bridge was already known for people who disappear without answers. Inside his room was an open book on a page about vanishing completely. After that, people started reporting sightings in different cities, always alone. But he was never confirmed alive or dead, just gone and still seen.